Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe that even a 5-year-old can make. My 5-year-old was very eager to make this sandwich for me, and indulging kids in the kitchen is a great way to help them learn and appreciate food. So let's get started.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a yummy sandwich for my mom. Uh, we're, for this recipe, we're gonna need turkey, cheese slice, some tomato, cucumber, mayo, black pepper, and bread. Let's start spreading mayo on the bread. Whenever my mom is tired, I make this sandwich for her. Now we're gonna put turkey slices on. Now we're gonna put cheese, some tomato, more. Now we're gonna put 4 cucumber slices. Now we're gonna put some black pepper on. And now we're gonna put the last slice. There you have it. This is a special sandwich for my mom. Please try out this recipe and share it with your family. And let me know in the comment section how you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye. After turkey slice.